This Dorian Bennett Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Axel Oestreicher. Warm and inviting Bywater home. Fully renovated by current owners, this house features original architectural woodwork, wainscoting, stained glass windows, beautiful heart pine floors, quartz counters, Bosch double oven and JennAir downdraft cooktop, security system with cameras. Flexible layout. Excellent location a block from Elizabeth's and Crescent Park. For more information, review the details below or contact Axel Oestreicher at 504-638-5339.